Hello everyone, this is Day Trader Matt with businesswithtrading.com doing a market recap for the 18th of August, Thursday. And today the market did gap down in a big way. It continued a little bit lower and then just moved sideways for the rest of the day. Not bad, a little about a 9-point range, 45 down to 36. So definitely still some good trades to be had. We had 6 total trades today for a maximum profit potential of 25.25 points or 101 ticks. Actual trades taken in the room, entries and exits, we made 32.25 points or 129 ticks. I have been getting some questions on what these numbers mean. This first one, it's the maximum profit potential assuming only one contract is being used. For example, we went short right here in the room, so it would take this entry to this move here. That's the maximum profit potential. Whereas in actuality in the room, we took our short and then we covered down here, and we did not get in on any of this. And then when the market did come up, we grabbed a nice short in this area and grabbed that. So that's the difference between the two. The reason I like it is because it gives us a great comparison. This is what the move did, and this is what we did. And the goal is to beat the maximum potential of the move. But in actuality, if profit is made, that is really what matters. You can challenge yourself, but if I had to pick, do I want to beat this number every time, or do I just want to end positive every time? You want to end positive. That's the main thing. But I like to challenge myself. I challenge myself a lot. Can I do this or can I do that? I taught myself guitar. Can I learn this song? Can I learn that? And I think it's fun. Challenging yourself. It makes life fun for me. That's what I enjoy. So anyway, let's talk about the trades a little bit. We did take a few longs. I think here, and to start the day, grabbed a small long in this area, and then we grabbed this short. Like I said before, we did cover down here, and then we did short here, and we wrote that down a little bit, and that was our day. 6 trades, 32.25 points. Definitely not anything to laugh at. Let's pick an even number, 30 points. At $50 per point, you're looking at $1,500 in 2.5 hours, because the room is open at 9:30 and it closes at 12 o'clock Eastern time, New York time, whatever you want to call it. So definitely not too bad. I'd like to encourage everyone to check out the website. The website is www.businesswithtrading.com. Stop by, check it out. It may or may not be for you. Trading is not for everyone, and my style of trading is definitely not for every trader. So check it out. Definitely ask questions. I encourage you to. A lot of people have been asking questions, and by the way, I have been getting an email from Joseph, and apparently you're not receiving my emails. I have emailed you numerous times, but you're not receiving them. So if you get this message, if you have Skype, my name is Day Trader Matt, and you can go to my website on the bottom right, and it'll say it has a Skype icon. Click on that, and it'll put you on my Skype, and you can send me a message that way. And if that doesn't work, something's got to be wrong, because a lot of people have been able to add me as a friend to Skype, and we've been able to communicate that way. I'm not sure what is wrong with the email, but hopefully you watched the video and you're able to do that. So at least we'll be able to communicate that way. But anyway, I just wanted to put that out there because Joseph has emailed me numerous times and he's not receiving my emails. So, you know, if you watch this, please do that and we can communicate that way. So that will at least we'll get to meet and you'll get your questions answered and that's good. That's what we want to accomplish. We want to be able to do that. So definitely do that. Everyone else, I encourage you to ask questions and comments, feedback. Definitely am enjoying that, and you know, love the suggestions. Keep it coming. Definitely, I'm only one person, so I can't do everything at once, but definitely am enjoying it. Uh, until tomorrow, everybody. Hope your day is awesome. If you do enjoy this video that you're watching right now, please click the Twitter, Facebook, and like buttons. Tell a friend, leave a comment. Would appreciate that in a big way. Have an awesome night, and I will see everyone in the morning. Thank you.